Hello. A good friend of mine went on a job in China last week, and he messaged me and said that he found a shop that was right on my street. So he bought me a few bits, which was really good of him. One of them, which is a ridiculous thing, but it cost a grand total of £5. And every single thing that you see today actually costs £5 each. Is this amazing Bluetooth speaker thing of Iron Man Mark 46 head. Apparently it's Mark 46. Didn't look like Mark 46 to me, but here you go. And it's brilliant, apart from the fact that when you actually turn it on, it has a really, really loud intro bit.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And yeah, it's
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
yeah, it does that. Which is really good. It's really good sound and everything, but it's just some Chinese lady telling me that a Bluetooth thing is paired. So it is what it is. It's £5 and it's really good. So I'm really happy with that. But that's not what I got this for. The whole video is because he came across in a shop these things for £5 each, and I thought, and when he's showing me, I was like, ooh, they look good. I think I'll have some of them. They are Yolopark Transformer kits, like little model kit things. So he got me for £5 each. Bumblebee, Soundwave, Starscream, Grimlock, and Megs. Now, there were a little bit of a mix-up because there was an Optimus Prime one as well, and I said that I'll have them 5, but not realising there were an Optimus Prime. The Optimus Prime one was in a different thing, in a much bigger pile, and kind of missed that. But I can get that another time. So I thought what I'm going to do is, because these things look really, really nice to actually put together and everything, I haven't seen anybody actually do it in the UK, because I think they're brand new, because it's for the 40th anniversary. I thought we could put them together just to see what they actually go like. So let's start with Bumblebee, shall we? Let's see how that actually goes together. So just get my knife. Be careful, kids. Okay. So out of the packaging, it is. Ooh. Okay. There is a bit of a funny card thing. Looks like that. And then the actual package and the thing looks like that. It's really nice, actually. Looks pretty good, pretty good. So you have the head and the torso and the rest of the things. And it has a selection of hands. So let's put him together, see how well he goes together. So it's like a little clamshell bit that can go over there. We can recycle that later. There's his body. And there is his hip things. Let's see how that goes in there. That goes in rather nicely. That to me looks like a leg. Put down there, like so. And put the other leg on there. Oh, these are like giant Kinder Surprise. I like these. These are cool. That goes on there. And then you have his feet. So, feet 1. Oh, come on. Let's do it. Oh. Right, I was a little bit worried that these might get a little bit, they might need a bit of warming up. So what I did, I get a little bowl of water at the side, a little bowl of warm water. Warm them up. Now we'll try and do it again. Works like a treat. There we go. So now we have his little feetsy on there. So we'll look at his shoulders. There are his shoulders. On one side, one on the other. So that goes on that side. Like that. And that goes on that side. Like so. And there are his arms. These are really nice, these. They go together like so easy. So his little arms go on like that and like that, and then his little head. No, we'll put his hands on first. Which hand should we go for? I will go for one pointing finger, one clenching fist, and that's his gun. So clenchy fist goes on that hand like so, that arm rather, and pointy finger goes on this one like so, and then his head goes on there like so, and we'll put the gun in his hand, and that is a really nice, really nice build. Look at that, fantastic. That's a really good version of B. I like that. Yeah, look at that. That's great. Pretty good articulation. Got knee bend, ankle tilt. That's good. Really good. Should we do another? So I'm going to put the rest of his gubbins over there. We'll go straight to the one that's next, which, oh, let's do Starscream. We'll do Starscream, shall we? So let's open that up. Like so. Starscream box. Front and back. Put it on there. The comes with a card. Looks like this. Yeah. And then that's him in his clamshell. And let's put him together. There. Ooh. So let's get his waist. Put that on first, like before. That goes on there like that. Ooh, it's a little bit stiff. Ugh. Warm that up a little bit, see if that'll make a difference. There she blows. They put a little waist on. We will go next with his legs. Make sure that the blue bit goes to the front. Classic Starscream leg. Then his feet. I think the feet are the same on both sides. They're not. Doesn't go to the left foot and the right foot. There we go. And there. Now we put his shoulders in. Like that. Okay. And then the arms, as before. Nearly. Let's have a look. That one's a little bit stiff. Oh, that is stiff. Right, okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take his shoulder back off and we're going to put that on when it's not on his torso, because it might be easier to do it that way. Let's take that off that side and that off that side, and we'll put these together. Okay. Let's warm them up. Okay. One, I just realised I was putting it the wrong way up because I'm a fool. I should have paid a bit of attention to the actual how it looks on the thing. Oh, what a silly sausage I am. That's why it was a little bit stiff. It's actually when you put it the right way up, and it's got just his blue forearm at the bottom. It's a lot more simple. But I like to make life easier, more difficult for myself. There we go. And then I will give him 2 fists this time. So fist 1. And then fist 2. And then his noggin. Oh no, we've got his nacelles to put on there first. They go on there, like so. Onto his shoulders. Nice. And nice. Then a little noggin that goes on the top, which is a classic Starscream head. Oh yeah, now you're talking. Look at that. That's fantastic. Really good classic. Even got a little. It's got the Decepticon insignia upside down on the back. The classic, the classic look. So he can fire his not nacelle, what they call the what's he called, his cannons. I forgot what they call them. His oh, I forgot what it's called now. He's actually got like a particular name for his guns, but I can't remember what it is. But yeah, look at that. That's pretty good, pretty decent. Rather nice. 2 down, 3 to go. Next we will go with, because I like him, I'm going to go next with Sound Dave. So Sound Dave box at the front, Sound Dave box at the back. Card that he comes with. That's him in his clamshell. Okay. Right. Remember to recycle. We always have to recycle, don't we? Nice classic blue chest torso. And we put that into. That is definitely tighter than the rest. Let's warm that up. Let's warm that up. Let's plonk these together. There we go. So that goes on there. Let's do his leg first. Classic Soundwave leg. Second leg. There we go. Got so. Footsies. One footsie. Second footsie. Do this one arm first. Let's use the thing as a bit of a instruction instead of winging it like I did last time and nearly breaking the damn thing. Okay, so that goes, okay, that's like that. All right, right, got it. And then that can go in there, like so. And that will go on that arm. Then the next one okay, so the arm goes into there like so, and then that's got a hinge on it, and then the hand goes into the end like this. Then that goes on the other side, and then that clips onto his shoulder like that. And there we go. And there are a few little accessories with him, which we will cover. Because each of them comes with like lots and lots of different hands. We'll get rid of them because we don't need the rest of them. Soundwave comes as standard with his shoulder mounted Canon thingy. That goes in there. That is tight, and that's quite thin, that. Oh, I like that though, that's good. Okay, so that goes, it's got like a shoulder mounted Canon, and then there is his noggin that goes on, classic Soundwave noggin, if we can get it on. There we go. And then classic Soundwave style gun. There we go. So that's him. That is good. I like that. That looks really, really nice. They're like a bit of a Gundam figure, but obviously they come all off the spews. Spews? Is that the word? Spews. So that, yeah, they have really nice articulation. No hollow bits on the back. Solid as a rock. Like nothing comes apart on these things once it's together. It's really, really good. Okay, so Soundwave down. 2 more to go. Let's go next with, which one should we do last? Megatron or Grimlock? Which one should we do last? That one. Oh, that one. Megatron last. Okay. So now we're going to go with Grimlock. Now these things don't transform, as we know. And Grimlock is the only one, from what I know of, which actually comes with, because it's a Grimlock, you can see on the front, it actually comes in his Dinobot form. And there's the card. The usual thing. Okay. So yeah, he comes in a little bit different to the rest. He comes Dinobot style-y. Over there. Nice paint on this thing as well. That's good. I like that. So let's have a look. Tail first. Let's sort the tail out first. So I'm thinking the tail goes together like that. Put that down, Gary. There we go. There we are. There we are. Oh, no. Why won't that go on there? There we go. There we go. That went together with a little bit of persuasion. The gentlest of pushes. That goes in there. One big old Grimlock leg on like so. Give it a twist as you put it on. Don't just push these on straight. Give them a bit of a twist with a little bit of persuasion, because if you do it like that, then you won't split it or break it or anything like that. Coming together nicely. Little arm. There we are. Little Grimlock arm. Little Tyrannosaurus Rex arm. And then that goes on the other side like so. And then his little noggin, which has got a little articulated mouth. That's cool, I like that. And that goes on there like so. That is lovely. That is lovely. Really, really nice. Proper G1 style. Perfect interpretation of a G1 Grimlock. Really nice. Articulated head, back and forth, and articulated jaw. Oh yeah, that is the business. Good stuff. So, while the light is fading, we will go to the last one of the thing, which is Meg's. Let's get this done sharpish while we still have a little bit of light. Box at the front, box at the back, clamshell, Meg's card, the other side. A little bit more going on with Meg's on this one than the others. A little bit more. I'll save the best till last. Okay, so this is his little torso. And then you have his waist section. Let's preempt the fact that it's probably going to need a little bit more persuasion than the others. And put Meg's waist on. And I have nothing to worry about. Oh, that's good. It's got like little skirt parts that are already hinged. That's quite interesting. So, leg, foot. Again, I think the foot is the same for a lefty as a righty. That's good engineering, that, because it means that you only have to make one part, opposed to making ones where they have to have the right foot and the right leg, and then they end up being made somewhere, and then they end up with the foot on the wrong two left feet and two right feet. I'm going to have to turn the light on 1 second. Bear with me. There we go. We have light. So, leg goes on like so. Nice click, nice satisfying click. Leg goes on the other side like so. That is good. That looks great. Love that chest piece. That chest is just the business. That is really, really nice. One arm goes in there like so. Have we got the right thing? Yes. Megatron is a two-fisted kind of guy in my opinion. So fist on one side, fist on the other. Make sure I've got the right one, so that goes on there. That is right. That is correct. And then that goes on like so. Good. Arm on the other side. It's really clever how they've done this, because the actual parts are they're interchangeable on both sides. I've just realised that. I thought that we had to be ones that are definitely for one side. No, actually, I'm wrong. This is actually definitely the on the other side, because it has a bit of extra moulding so that you can actually put the cannon on his arm. Okay, so put that on there, put the fist in there like so, and then put the arm on there like that. Then there is a few extra pieces because it's Megatron. We all know what those are. It has on the back of him, he has a gun part, so because he used to turn into a gun, not anymore. That goes on there like that. Is that right? Doesn't seem right. It seems the wrong way around. That's that. No, like that. There we go. I think that's right. Yeah, the bigger. It has a bigger thing on that side. Then on his arm, he has his fusion cannon. That, oh yeah, that's amazing. And then the most classic of all the things, the bit that the old Buckethead himself is noggin. Now that is just lovely. That is lovely. Classic, beautiful. These are better than the RED figures that they did. This is so nice. So nice. So there you go. That's all 5 of them assembled in 25 minutes. That's like 5 minutes each. So take your time on them as much as you want. I'm a bit of a, I like to snap these things together quite quickly. But, so you can see them all together. You have Megs. We'll go backwards. We'll have a Soundwave. And Starscream. And Grimlock. Blue Eye Grimlock, very nice. And B. Really good. They're brill. And nice bit of fun, and they're going to look nice on a shelf when I'm going to play with these things. So I hope you enjoyed that little build. If I get some more of these things, I'll do another one. So enjoy yourself, and I will see you later. Bye.